Have you heard the heartbeat of this city? It beats in the clouds and flows on the river. It is a spine of steel and a gentle stream of water. Upward, the ambition. Forward, the bloodline. Arrive or depart in just a blink. Tonight, read Guangzhou. The story begins in the south. Xinguang Bridge, this crimson artery, carries a torrent of dreams into the city. Piercing through the smoke of village life, our gaze is instantly lifted. The ancient Pazhou Pagoda was once a beacon for the Silk Road. Now, a new landmark has taken the baton. Soaring 600 meters high, this is the city's waist and its crown. Looking back from the clouds, the brilliance of Zhujiang New Town unfolds before our eyes. Lead bridge, like a pearl shell resting on the river. From Tiande Center, flying over the museum, we weave through canyons of steel and glass. Every building here is a footnote to this financial empire. Haixinsha stands ready like a giant ship. No matter how busy Wangpu Avenue gets, the axis always points to the future. We soar over Wachang Square. Here lies the living room of the city. Heading towards CITIC Plaza, soaring over the most popular Parc Central. Tian Sports Center witnessed Guangzhou's ambition to expand eastward. Only at the summit of Cloud Mountain do we truly see the spine of Guangzhou. Let us turn our gaze to the west. The red glow of Haidong Bridge connects memories of industry. The wharves of Taigukan were once bustling warehouses, now retaining the red bricks of time. Going upstream, we reach Bai'etan. Three rivers converge where the art center stands, marking the starting point of the Pearl River into Guangzhou. Through the waterways of永庆坊, the reflection of the moon bridge whispers the tenderness of Xinguang. Amidst the melodies of Cantonese opera, traffic flows endlessly on Renmin Bridge. Amidst the old buildings of the Bund, the great bell of the old custom house still watches over this golden waterfront. The classic postal museum stands by the riverside. Beside it, the Nanfeng building was once the tallest in China. Here was the most prosperous window a century ago. Gliding past the historic site under the Red Star, crossing Jifang Bridge, cruise ships break the silence of the river. Haijiu Bridge connects the breadth of both banks. In Haijiu Square, he lion in the light he's awakening. The spotlights of Xinguang Bridge light up the movement of the night. Flying towards Haiyin Bridge, those pair of giant harps. Face the ancient archway of Sun Yat-sen University. Shanghai Concert Hall looks like a swan ready to fly. Looking back at the old city, the lights remain warm. Crossing Guangzhou Bridge once again, Haixinsha Bridge lies like a guqin across the water. Circling the tower overlooking Haixinsha, the pearl of the river at Lead Bridge guides the river towards the sea. Finally, we dock at Pier. Here remains the red memory of the Pearl River Brewery. Old industrial dreams have turned into tonight's intoxication. Creativity and art grow freely here. The exaggerated curves of the Jay-Z Club resemble a surreal vessel overflowing with jazz. Beside it, the dazzling light show of the Alibaba Center announces the arrival of the digital age. Returning along Yujiang West Road, trailing lights stretch behind us. The river breeze blows, leaving a lingering echo. We have seen the height of the axis and the depth of the river. This land is both ancient and young. This is Axis and Flow. Good night.